Hi, in this video we're going to be talking about net ionic equations. Net ionic. So what is a net ionic equation? A net ionic equation is an equation an equation that only contains the elements that make the chemical reaction, or RxN, that's a fancy word for reaction in chemistry, work. Now, the ones that are not involved in making the reaction occur are called spectator ions. These will not be included in the net ionic equation. Alright, so let's take a look at the two examples we just did in the previous video. Alright, so first one, let's rewrite the whole equation out. I have NH4 times that by 3PO4 aqueous plus 3AgNO3 aqueous yields 3NH4NO3 aqueous plus Ag3PO4 solid. And now for net ionic, what you'll want to do is split up all the aqueous and rewrite the equation. So we have 3 NH4 pluses plus PO4 minus. Both of these are aqueous, plus 3Ag plus 3NO3 minus makes 3NH4 plus 3NO3 minus. Now this is not aqueous, so we don't need to split it at all. Plus PO4 solid. Again, we only split the aqueous ones, and keep in mind to write all the charges: 3NH4 plus and plus PO4 minus. Alright. So now we cross all the spectator ions, right? What is our precipitate? AgPO4. So anything that is not involved in making Ag3PO4 will be crossed out. So let's see here. Do we need NO3 in the reaction? First of all, we don't need NH4. And do we need PO4? We do need PO4. Do we need Ag3? We do need Ag3. Do we need NO3? We do not need NO3. Do we need NH4? We do not. And do we need NO3? We do not either. So our final equation will be PO4 minus aqueous plus 3Ag plus aqueous yields Ag3PO4 solid. As you can see, our precipitate is Ag3PO4. So I crossed anything out that is not Ag or PO4 that would be needed to make our net ionic. And this will be our net ionic equation. Alright, let's do the second example. We have HNO3 aqueous, so we're going to split this one, plus KOH aqueous, we're going to split this one, makes H2O liquid, we're not going to split this, plus KNO3 aqueous. Alright, so first let's split the aqueous. H plus NO3 minus, both of these are aqueous, plus K minus plus OH plus, K plus OH minus. Both of these are aqueous. Don't forget to include your state of matter, because this is what all this whole unit is about. If you don't include them, they'll be counted as wrong. You'll get points taken off. Liquid, we do not split that. Plus K aqueous, K plus NO3 minus aqueous. Alright, so our precipitate this time is H2O. We're going to cross out anything that is not H or O. Okay, so first, NO3 is not included. K plus is not included. OH is needed to bond with H to make H2O, so we're going to keep it OH. Now, we don't need K, and nor do we need NO3. So our final equation is H plus aqueous plus OH minus aqueous makes our H2O precipitate liquid. So this is the net ionic equation for what we had up here. And now you would not draw the net ion, you would not write the ionic unless you're asked to do so in the problem. The normal double replacement for these two questions would just be this. Thank you for watching.